Hope you had a good New Year's. It is freaking freezing, and this idiot right here was decided that he would take an overnight train and then an overnight ferry to freaking Dublin on the coldest night of the year. Because why not? That's how I do it. But it's freezing at Euston station, and I've got 2-hour waits for my train, so I thought I'd go somewhere familiar for a drink. So I'm going to go into the Euston Flower. Everyone's watching some sort of football match in there by the look of it. Go in and have a pint. Yeah. Anyway, try and keep warm for at least a minute. It's going to be a cold, long night. Okay, so I'm back at Euston. Enjoyed a nice pint. Nice warm pub. I've got 40 minutes to my train, so I timed that alright. Hopefully, just need to wait about 10-20 minutes for them to tell me which platform we can get going. We've got 10 minutes till the train leaves. They've just given us platform 15, so we're just heading to the train now.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016.
Okay, so I'm on the train. Took off at 7:10 exactly. I'm quite tired. It's very dark outside, so I can't show much. It's going to be a very boring long trip. Trying to see if I can get a little bit of a snooze. I've got no one sitting next to me at the moment. In the seat up books, I do, but the car's half empty. So I'll go have a little nap. Maybe head down to the diner and get something to eat afterwards before we get to Holyhead.
Good evening, ladies and gents, and welcome to all passengers on this Avanti train service to Holyhead and Chester.
We are now arriving at Milton Keynes Central. Please take care when leaving the train. We hope you've enjoyed your journey.
Quite warm, quite comfortable. I did sleep maybe for about half an hour. I'm gonna go get a cup of tea from the dining car now, and just try and chill out for the last hour and a bit. Yeah, no complaints. It's all good. Wi-Fi is fine. Yeah, no complaints. So on the ferry, I booked a cabin. So I want to get some sleep tonight. So it arrives at 5:45 in the morning. So I'm hoping that they let me on earlier rather than later. So like 1:30, I'm hoping, so I can get a little bit more sleep, get into my cabin, and get some rest, because it's only 3 hours in the crossing, so I'll try and get as much as I possibly can. I need to just see what happens at Holyhead, I guess. I don't know how cold it's going to be. I don't know what's that. Let's find out. Okay, so I've got 3 hours until the next ferry. It's freezing here. I'm at the port. There's a kebab shop or something, and then there's a McDonald's 15-minute walk. I've got some time to kill, so I'm gonna just go suss it out for something to do. Quickly, 45 minutes, maybe eat something, and come back. I reached a dead end, and all the pavements on both sides of the road were all kind of just made it so you can't walk on it. So I don't really know how you can get to the McDonald's unless you're driving, which I probably could get there somehow, but I've only got 20 minutes, and so I'm just turning around. I'm going to head back. I've got some snacks in my bag. I'll just eat those. There is a pub that's open across the road. Don't really want to go in there. Apart from that, I think that there's nothing open. It's 11 o'clock at night. So it's understandable. But let's get back into the warmth and wait. Okay, I found a couple of drunk people on the street eating chip shop chips, and I managed to find a chip shop. It's open till midnight. There's a pub next door as well. It's going off at the moment. There's no way I was going to go in there, and I realised that I've only got card, so I couldn't buy them if I wanted to. But to be honest, I don't really want chip shop chips. I just want them. So I'm just going to get back into the terminal, into the warmth, and just eat my Pringles. It's very windy, it's very cold. We get out of the cold, get into the warmth, and wait 3 hours until I leave. The inbound ferry should be arriving soon. So hopefully they let us full passengers board sooner rather than later, so I can get into my cabin and into bed and fall asleep, because I'm one tired man. And go into some 12:40. I've just found out that the check-in for the foot passengers is at 1:40, so I've got an hour left. Pretty damn tired. I'm gonna go grab a hot chocolate, probably the terrible one from that machine. Try and warm up for at least half an hour. And then I think we'll probably need to get a bus or something out to the ferry because it's quite a ways away from where we are, so I don't know what will happen there. There's about 15-20 people by the looks of it in there. A few interesting sort of people, which is why I'm at the front. One guy passed out on the ground. One other guy angry that the ferry's 2 hours away from leaving. I thought he was going to punch me, but I don't know, he's angry. So I'm avoiding those people, go get a hot chocolate, and then check in an hour. Hopefully straight to the room and straight to sleep. Guest services, room 9446. Okay, so I'm in my cabin. So it's 2:10. Check-in was at 1:40. So it was 50 minutes before departure. Nothing had to be done, no passport control or anything. A little pat down, and they put us into this other room. We waited there for half an hour, and then got the bus to here. I actually booked a inside cabin, and she asked me if I preferred the inside or the outside, and I said I didn't actually mind. So she's actually given me a outside cabin, which is nice. I can see outside. Yeah, so we'll have a look here. Okay, so we've got kettle, some chocolates there, biscuits, a phone, TV, I don't know what's on there, little bed. So I'm assuming, well, yeah, obviously that comes down and we can have a second bed. And here we've got bathroom. So toilet and shower. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna try and get the sleep straight away. I can't check in until 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, so I've got to get as much sleep as possible, I'm hoping. So, I'm gonna try and see if there's some heating in here, because this is cold. This gets colder and colder and colder. And, oh yeah, look at that. It's some cold. Turn it off. Okay, try and get as much sleep as I can. If I can get 3 hours and then a quick shower, I'll be happy. See you in the morning. Oh, good morning. I feel rough. I don't really know how well I slept. It's a bit weird. I was laying there what felt like 5 hours, and I looked and we'd only been sailing for like an hour. So the journey went really long, which is not normally the case when you want to sleep. It feels like it just takes 10 minutes and you don't have enough time to sleep. I definitely did sleep. So I've gotten up now, it's 5:15, just because I don't know what happens. I don't want to miss it. I don't know if they'll wake us up. We left the time a little bit early, so we were supposed to leave at 2:30 and we were out of there at 2:20, so I'm getting up, I'm making a cup of tea and eating some of the biscuits here, and yeah. So another thing, the bed was pretty comfortable. Yeah, the bed was pretty comfortable. I had no problems with the bed. Duvet was warm, but I had to put my head under it. I've got the heating on hot here, but it doesn't really, I mean, it's a little bit, tiny bit warm out there, coming out of there, but it's not hot. I'm still cold, hence why I'm wearing a jumper. The other thing is with the shower. So we've got like a little lip here at the bottom of the shower for the water, but it's not very big. And when you have a shower, it kind of, the boat sways and the water runs all the way down to the back of the toilet. Not a big issue. It's designed sort of for that, but yeah. Okay. Put the TV on, put the kettle on, and just wait to see what happens. Okay, so I thought I should add, to get to Dublin from the port here, you have to take a bus as a foot passenger, and it costs money and it costs euros. There's no cash machine at all at the port, so you need to make sure that you have €3.50 when you get off here, or you're going to be stuck and you're going to be walking a very long way. So luckily I had exactly €3.50 in my box at home, so I'm alright. But just for future reference, carry €3.50 if you get on the ferry, because you'll be stuck otherwise. Okay, captain's just come on, told us we're just about to dock. There we go, alright, let's set up the side there. So quickly try and have as much tea as I possibly can, and then run and check out, I guess. I don't know.
11. Yeah.
That's so. Which way do I go?
For what?
To leave?
We're not in yet, so
Yeah.
no rush. I don't know. Are you a foot passenger or are you in your car?
Foot passenger.
Yeah. I don't even know where the bus is.
Alright, no.
Where did it drop you off? Can you remember?
In the car park, in the, like,
Yeah, but you don't know which side.
no, I think it was down that side actually, yeah.
When we
Yeah.
find out, I'll make an announcement and I'll let you know.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
It's kind of a little bit embarrassing, so I went to like check out, but there's like no one here at all, so I thought everyone's left. It's only the fact that I think there's only like 10 people on the whole boat, so we haven't got in yet. So she hasn't told anyone what they're doing. come down and saw no one, so I kind of thought, I'm running late, everyone's gone and I'm here alone. So yeah, no need to stress. Nice to have an extra 10 minutes sleep. To the city centre. It's 6:10 in the morning. It's quite easy getting out of there. Got on the bus, went through customs, got on another bus. Yeah, you just need to make sure that you have the €3.50 where you can't get on the bus into the city centre. A funny thing happened. I went through the customs there and everything was okay. And then when the bus took off, the police flagged the bus down. And the guy got on and he's asked for the Australian guy, and he'd actually stamped my passport with the wrong year. He hadn't changed it to 2020, so he had to give me a second stamp because I didn't arrive last year. I arrived this year, so now I need to find a some sort of greasy spoon, or I haven't eaten a proper meal all night. I ate Pringles, some biscuits. So I'm here, I'm in Dublin. It's a long journey, I'm tired. I can't check in for a very long time. So I'm gonna get a nice warm coffee and big breakfast and then go for a walk around. I think the sun doesn't come up for another 2 hours, so we'll see. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you again soon.